bathi indoda enjani engabukeli ibhola ubukela iBig Brother. Masicela ukuthi usifollow mara bacela ukuthi uvote ku Big Brother uyalona uyavote. Ungayibi kanjalo but azithi ngiphume lapho ngiphuza amanzi nginaka indaba zami ngiyangithola. Angiphethe star player la. Phethe uPlus Steve nje since ngishilo but introduce ngama viewers wethu ngegama lamampela isibongo utshela ama viewers wethu ukuthi uhlala va.
Oh shosho igama lami uSteven isibongo Khweli ngihlala eClovatini.
Sho nje ezudlala ibhola sicela utshela ababukeli la ukuthi lento yebhola icale kanjani yini into ekumotivateile ukuthi ucale ukuthi uchubeke and ubani player okhule ubukela phansi kwalo.
Oh ibhola ngasho ukuthi ngilicale ngina 8 then ngakhuthaza iHotman lami belidlala ku development ePirates then ngalandela la belivaye khona then iplayer mina elingikhuthazayo kwamanje engathi ngilibonile vele umbokazi. Sho.
So uyazi ebholeni kunomlando mos khona la uqale khona so uSteven udlalele mapha ama club until afike la khona manje.
Alright ama club engiwadlalelile yathi ngibuyele emuva kuma development ngidlalile ku Highlands Park ngicaptain Highlands Park under 15 under 17 ngathola iCallUp ku national ngaya na ku Chiefs for 6 months for assessment then uyazi izinto zemhlaba mngani wami but then into engayisho ukuthi unga give up elifini ichubeka uphakamisa inhloko.
Angithanda amazwi akho Plus Steve. So Plus Steve ezukena ukuthi ezumdlali webhola you know sometimes khona abantu abazokucekela phansi bakhuluma izinto ezimbi ngawe. So wena as a player how do you prepare yourself for ama games and how do you handle the pressure?
Ugendlela ipressure ungayeva ngabantu ngaphandle mngani wami wena into abakucela ukuthi uyenze egroundini ishaya ispan sakho abantu bayakhuluma namanje ngesokona bekukhona bekangithuka lapha but ngiphumile kuye ngachubeka ngegame yami so cover the pressure ukuthi ufocus ediskini chubeke ngegame yakhe izilongo Mr. Refanga kashaya ifanele lesile then phamisa inhloko uyavayina igame.
Sure. So mebangathi kufika intona encane la kuwe icele iadvice ngale position oyidlalayo ungamgaya advice uthini ngale position le uyidlalayo yakhe ungamgaya advice uthini ukuthi maintain le position oyidlalayo?
Advice engamgayo la le position engidlalayo inzima kakhulu kufuna ujime ube nomoya avoid into eziningi uyanderstand ezinjengami kwaso hlezi ngijima Monday to Friday angina impintshi understand angiphuza ngibhemi ngiyimi nje saphelevela ukuthi next time sazoba great and ama position engiwadlalayo ngidlala right back left back center back so kuya ngokuthi usipana kanjani understand bawufaka umoya egroundini yonke into izoba grand.
Sure. So as you can't just play football ngeke team oyfavorayo so ku pro side sikhuluma ngePSL and abroad to favor mapha ama team.
Mina ngifavor iBhakania then ngale ngifavor iPSG.
Sure. So okay sizocala la eMzansi as you know khona ama player bawa retire ngepower shot ne between uTalent Mbatha noTebogo Mokoena ubani ontswembu ngepower shot?
Okay mina ngifavor iBhakania but ngizova noTebogo Mokoena.
Okay let's go overseas between uFederico Valverde noSoboslai ubani ontswembu ngepower shot?
Soboslai.
Cause we defender ne so kulama defender i3 ngizowa mention uzowa rate so ngizoba like you start one bench one and sell ama center back la ungabizayo so between William Saliba uVirgil van Dijk and uGabriel le teammate kaSaliba you start one bench one and sell.
Wena wami ngeke ngibafostana bonke yabo so mina for mina angeke ngibavayise mina angeke ngibavayise for mina.
Yeah but let's say you must to share one you bench one bekhona via just one.
Okay ba mention futhi
uVirgil van Dijk William Saliba uGabriel.
uVirgil ngiyamvayisa uSaliba ngihlala naye uGabriel uzohlala ebenchini.
Okay let's say mawuvayisa uVirgil van Dijk umvayisa nga 5M so mawuthola le 5M let's say you have to do something for your community ungabayenzelana
abantu la ecommunity.
Sure.
Ngakhwaza lento anencane ezozibona zifostana ibhola yabona namaye kunemvula zifuna ukuyenza lento ethine siyenza ngazama ukuhlanganisa iacademy nyana bayenzela into esharp bangahluthi nganext nje noma kuyo ejimini nje imaterial yonke into ibe grand.
Sure. So when as a player ne iliphi iplayer eli best okwadlala nalo as a teammate and iliphi iplayer eli best okwadlala against?
Iplayer eli best ke ngadlala against okay ngamention uKalawa ngile ngadlala naye teamini one then la usho la iKasi.
Sure.
Okay so far ngasho ukuthi ngibona ukuthi uyangiphushela mina side la mengidlala nawo ngizothatha le yami umsona. Sure.
Okay so iliphi iplayer ongakaze wadlala nalo but ungafisa ukudlala nalo?
Iplayer ngafisa ukudlala nalo ngidlale nawo the most like ngidlalile against now but engafisa ukuthi ngidlale nalo manje iplayer ngathatha uSoni Mgongo leyo bathini bona sure.
So ngizokubuza iquestion etricky ne so wena as a player uprefera ukuthi ushaye i-on goal i-team iwine or ukore hat-trick i-team idliwe?
Yo, angcono ngishaya ugoal.
I-team iwine. So before ungishaya nge-word of the day ne ngizocela ungiphuzelele amanzi. Ngiphuzelele amanzi because ngiyazi mangawaphuzi lamanzi i-word of the day yakho ngeke ibe yinhle. But the more uzonatha la sure amanzi lawa guys speaking for Stani amandla abuya la wathi siwasho shaya word of the day njaya
Hayi word of the day engayisho ukuthi singa give up elifini bakhona abazokugceka but unga give up phakamisa inhloko uvuka uzithintithe yonke into izoba grand awazi kusasa ubukele ubani awazi kusasa ubheke ubani esesila emhlabeni sonke sifuna ukuba grand so wena phakamisa inhloko uzithintithe chubeke uye phambili sure
awunendlebe uzwile but mina into engizonitshela yona ukuba kawaphuzanga lamanzi word of the day yakuba yikho inhle kanje njame siyabonga for isikhathi sakho ne moja njaya chef
I think back to back.